Welcome to the Deep Dive. We cut through the noise to get you the key insights, the surprising facts, right from the edge of technology. Today, it's episode 231 of AI Brief, and honestly, we've got some mind-bending stuff for you.
So our mission today, we're looking at how AI is hitting some huge milestones. Think predicting brain responses, winning global coding challenges, even designing cancer drugs. Completely from scratch. And then, we'll get you quickly up to speed on everything else moving in AI and point you to some tools that could really boost your productivity.
Okay, let's dive right in then. This first one from Meta's Fair Team. It's something else, an AI that can predict how your brain will react to a video. But get this, without needing a single brain scan. It's called Tribe.
It really is fascinating. So Tribe, it's the big one, a 1 billion parameter neural network. Just think of parameters as like the AI's learning knobs. Billions of them. Makes it incredibly sophisticated. And its power. Well, it just won first place in the Algodot's 2025 brain modeling competition. That's a huge nod from the neuroscience and AI fields.
A huge win, yeah. But if it's not actually scanning brains, how is it predicting something as complex as what our neurons are doing?
Well, that's the clever part. It works by analyzing movies, the video, the sound, the dialogue, everything. And the predictive accuracy is, frankly, stunning. They trained it using data from people watching about 80 hours of TV and movies.
Over half.
After that, it could accurately predict over half the brain activity patterns across 1,000 different brain regions.
Over half? That's incredible. Is it better in certain areas?
It is. It really shines in the parts of the brain where sight, sound, and language processing kind of merge together. It actually beat models focused on just one sense by a good 70%.
Yeah.
So it gets the whole picture.
A holistic view.
Exactly. And it's especially sharp in the frontal brain regions. Those bits control our attention, decision-making, and, crucially, our emotional responses to what we're watching.
Okay, so here's the thing that strikes me. It's not just predicting reactions, right? It's the potential to, reverse engineer engagement. Knowing exactly what buttons a video will push in the brain before anyone sees it, that could totally reshape advertising, education, entertainment, designing for attention on a biological level. That feels like the real breakthrough.
That's a great way to put it.
Okay, so from inside the mind, let's pivot to a different kind of AI power, pure problem solving. OpenAI's reasoning model just did something pretty jaw-dropping. It grabbed a gold-level score at the 2025 International Olympiad in Informatics, the IOI.
Yeah, absolutely nailed it. And to give you some context, that means it placed 6th overall against the best young human programmers in the world. And it was the top AI model there.
Yeah.
Full stop.
Wow.
And it's not a one-off. This same model also took gold at the International Math Olympiad and at Coder. So it's showing this really broad, strong problem-solving ability.
And just to be clear, this wasn't some modified test for the AI?
Nope. Head-to-head, same complex coding problems, same time limits, same submission rules as the human students, no handicaps.
Right.
And what's really remarkable, I think, is the AI itself. It wasn't specifically trained or fine-tuned just for programming competitions. It was a general-purpose reasoner using pretty basic tools.
A generalist.
Right. And the progress is just explosive. It scored in the 98th percentile this year. Just last year, it was at 49%.
Wait, from 49% to 98th percentile in 1 year? That's more than double the performance.
It's a massive leap.
Right.
Really underscores how fast these reasoning capabilities are advancing.
So does that mean, are we getting close to a point where AI isn't just acing our tests, but maybe creating new science, new theorems?
You have to wonder, right? It does feel like the days where humans have a lock on certain competitive domains might be numbered. These wins are probably, crucial steps toward models that can discover fundamentally new things in science, math, maybe even physics.
Okay, moving from those kinds of wins to something with immediate, profound impact, really showing AI's potential for humanity. This is work from researchers in Korea at KAIST. They've developed something called Bind.
Yeah, Bind. It's a new type of AI, a diffusion model. And what it does is design optimal cancer drug candidates, literally from scratch. Think of how AI creates images from noise. It's kind of like that, but for complex drug molecules.
Okay.
And what's really new here is that it doesn't need any starting molecular data. No examples to learn from. That's a big shift.
And it's faster too, right? The original script mentioned it designs the molecule and how it attaches all at once.
Exactly. Instead of that old back and forth design, test, tweak, test again.
Yeah.
Bind figures out the drug molecule and how it binds to the target protein in one go. Much more efficient.
And the precision.
Astonishing. It created drugs that hit only the specific protein mutations causing the cancer, leaving the healthy versions alone. That's real precision medicine. And unlike some older AIs, Bind makes sure the drugs are safe, stable, and actually manufacturable all at the same time. Plus, it learns. It has this recycling technique where it reuses successful design strategies. Gets better over time.
It feels like drug discovery is just going to be completely transformed by this acceleration in AI. We're just starting to see the first AI-designed drugs hit the market. But this feels like we could be right on the edge of the floodgates opening, AI designing truly life-altering medicines.
It really does feel that way, a potential paradigm shift.
Okay, let's broaden the view now, shift gears a bit, and quickly cover some other key developments happening right now across the AI landscape.
All right, first up, Anthropic. They've rolled out a memory feature for Claude. It lets Claude search past conversations you've had, and this is key, only if you specifically ask it to.
So more user control than some other systems.
Right. It's not automatically building a profile on you. It's for paid subscribers first, though.
Oh.
Then there's finance. A new wave of AI-focused hedge funds is really gaining steam, billions flowing in.
Oh, yeah.
Now, one standout example is Leopold Aschenbrenner. He's 23, ex-OpenAI, and reportedly managing over $1.5 billion.
Without prior professional investing experience. Wow.
Quite the story. And another firm, VAR, is managing around $2 billion in AI strategies. Shows where the money sees opportunity.
Definitely. What else?
Geopolitics. The Chinese government has apparently warned its local firms against using NVIDIA's H20 chips, especially for government work. That's even after the U.S. lifted export bans. So tensions remain.
Interesting.
On the open source front, Chinese AI lab ZAI released GLM 4.5V, its visual reasoning model, and it's already topped the charts on over 40 benchmarks.
Keeping the pace high.
Absolutely. Some internal movement. GitHub CEO Thomas Dohmke is leaving to start his own thing. GitHub is now moving under Microsoft's Corey AI division.
Okay.
Also hearing reports the U.S. government might strike a deal with NVIDIA and AMD, potentially getting a 15% cut of their chip sales to China. Still developing, that one.
That could be significant.
And for video creators, Pika Labs has a new model for its social app. HD video, lip sync audio, generated in 6 seconds or less. That's fast for HD.
Very fast.
Finally, Alibaba upgraded its Qwen 3 models. They now handle ultra-long context up to 1 million tokens. That's like processing a 750-page book in one input. Huge for deep understanding.
Okay, quite a whirlwind of updates. So let's wrap that section and quickly hit some trending tools you might want to check out.
Sounds good. Let's highlight a few productivity boosters. First, Grok 4. That's XAI's latest model. It's actually free for everyone for a limited time right now.
Worth checking out then.
Definitely. Then there's Copilot 3D. Turns an image into a 3D model with basically one click. For front-end developers, check out Kombai. It's an AI agent built for that specific task.
Useful.
We also have Tempo. It's a visual IDE, sort of a coding workspace, where designers, PMs, devs can all collaborate on code, with AI helping out. And Floot, a platform to build products from your ideas, no coding needed, supposedly all in one spot.
Interesting concept.
For researchers, SciSpace automated everyday research tasks. Could save a lot of time. If you're in marketing, Vireel claims to generate hundreds of ads using proven formulas very quickly. And lastly, Xpander. It integrates AI agents right into Slack, like they're part of your team.
Some really practical tools in there. So what a deep dive today, seriously. From AI understanding our brain responses, to crushing coding competitions, to designing potential cancer cures, and that's alongside all the other updates and tools constantly popping up. It's a lot.
It really is an incredible moment. And maybe the thought to leave you with is this. Consider how all these different threads, predicting thoughts, solving problems, creating medicines, how they're all starting to weave together. They're converging and reshaping things faster than maybe we even realize. What comes next? What new frontiers open up? And how does it change, our actual daily lives?
A powerful question indeed, something to think about. If you found this deep dive useful, please do follow the deep dive and share it with others who want to stay plugged into what's happening with AI. We'll be back soon with more insights.